Show you what they got me doing today, guys. Way up here working on a big Bohn evaporator inside a milk distribution company. So this is the Evap I'm working on right now. We're replacing this huge motor. I'm about to pop it out. I already got my bolts off. I got it disconnected. I got the other one down there by my bag with the fan shroud and the blade. We're just gonna pull it down and put the capacitor on it and reset it. I got my old motor out of my bracket, took the bracket off, that's right here. I'm gonna install it onto my motor along with my capacitor here. And then we're gonna put it back up in the hole up there. All right, boys, she's all in. Nice. We're gonna hit the switch and get her going. All right. Make sure. Turn her on. And away we go. Very good, very good. All set. Installed. Peace out, YouTube. All right, boys. Here I am out on this rooftop. You can see I got my face reveal going on. Psyched you out. But what we're going to do today is we're going to power wash that one, the one over there, the one over there, and I think that one in the back over there. I got my power washer out. Yeah, we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 units today. So this is what HVAC is all about. Peace.